How to show stock countdown in WooCommerce, boost urgency and sales. Navigate to the Product Badges section. Open the Embed tab. Click on Add New to create a countdown stock. Enter a name for your embed. Select Countdown Stock as the embed type. Set the condition to display the countdown when stock is less than 20. Go to the Colors tab. Choose a background color. Set the text color. Customize the stock number color. Navigate to the Theme and Styles tab. Select a progress bar style. Adjust the font size and font style. Set padding for top/bottom and left/right. Customize the width size for desktop view. Customize the progress bar size for desktop view. Go to the Targeting tab. Enable Custom Position. Set the position to appear before CSS selector on the product page. Save your changes. Visit a product page. If the product stock is below 20, the countdown stock will appear. Display countdown stock. Navigate to the Product Badges section. Switch to the Embed tab. Disable the status toggle. Click Add New to create a new stock countdown. Enter a name for your embed. Choose Countdown Stock as the embed type. Set a display condition to show the countdown when stock is less than 18. Navigate to the Theme and Styles tab. Select the circle style. Customize the font style to match your store's look. Go to the Targeting tab. Enable Custom Position. Select Products. Select Included. Select the specific products you want to apply this to. Save your changes. Now, visit the Jacket with Trousers Set product page. If the stock level is below 18, the countdown stock will automatically appear. Display stock countdown. Navigate to the Product Badges section. Switch to the Embed tab. Disable the status toggle. Click Add New to start creating your custom stock countdown. Enter a name for your embed. Set the embed type to Countdown Stock. Set it to display only when the stock is less than 15. Add a custom message that will be shown with the countdown. Go to the Theme and Styles tab. Choose a simple style. Adjust the font style to match your site's branding. Set the border size for better visibility. Customize the width for desktop view. Add padding, top/bottom and left/right, for proper spacing. Navigate to the Colors tab. Set a background color that stands out. Customize the stock number color to draw attention. Go to the Targeting tab. Enable Custom Position. Set the condition to Is on sale equals Yes, so it only shows for discounted products. Save your changes. Visit a product page that's on sale and has less than 15 units in stock. The stock countdown should now be visible and active, helping create a sense of urgency. Display countdown stock. How to download and install the free and pro versions of the plugin. Start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins to open the Plugins Management section. Before proceeding, make sure that WooCommerce is installed and activated on your site. If it's not already installed, you'll need to do so first. Click on Add New Plugin. Search for Asana plugins or badge and product label for WooCommerce. Click on Install Now and activate. You have now successfully installed and activated the free version of the plugin. Navigate to Product Badges. If you wish to unlock additional features, you can upgrade to the Pro version. Navigate to the Pro version tab. Follow the provided link to make the purchase and download the Pro version of the plugin. For your convenience, the link to download and use the plugin has been added in the description below. After downloading the Pro version, return to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New again, but this time, select Upload Plugin. Click on Choose File and select the Pro version plugin file you just downloaded. Then, click on Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the Pro version. You have now successfully installed and activated the Pro version of the Badge and Product Label for WooCommerce plugin. You're now ready to explore enhanced features, including advanced product badge customization, notification bars, sale pop-ups, countdown timers, and countdown stock displays. Enjoy creating a more engaging shopping experience.